So this is the ZYLISS lock and lift can opener. I've been using it since a year now and it works really good. It has a locking mechanism, so once you squeeze it on the can like this, it locks. All you have to do to remove it is to press on this button here. And it also has a magnet here, so it can stick to the lid like this and you can remove it once you open it and you release it like this. So let me open this can and show you how it works. First, put it on the can like any can opener and then squeeze it in. You see it locked now, so you're free now either to turn without holding it, but I prefer to hold it just a little bit. So hold it like this and just turn it. It's really easy and it opens all the cans. So let's say the lid went all the way in. There's no way to remove it. So you have your magnet here. Just make sure the handle is like this and then put it here on the lid and you see how it removes it very easily.